Jamaicans are a very happy set of people, but there are some who are cantankerous as well. In this video by Jamfet, we're going to be looking at 10 things that make all Jamaicans happy. Death is a very sad and depressing moment for most people in the world. But in Jamaica, when there is a death, the night of the nine-night is one very exciting and thrilling affair. Whether it's the food, whether it's the music, whether it's the gossip, somehow all these ingredients come together to give Jamaicans a thrilling experience. Another thing that makes all Jamaicans happy is walking around in the morning and trying to find if any pear has fallen off the tree. The experience of picking up pear, especially the butter pear in Jamaica, is a thrilling one. If pear season is good, mango season is even better. A Jamaican seen a mango tree loaded with mangoes, telling him that there's going to be a lot of mangoes this year, is bound to put smiles on their faces. And so mango time is in fact one of the things that makes Jamaicans very happy.
At the height of the mango crop, when the fruit them a ripe and drop, wash your pot, turn them down, mango time.
Another thing that seems to make all Jamaicans happy is Christmas time. Whether it's the whitewash, whether it's picking the right balloon from the balloon game, whether it's the Christmas lights or just the Christmas tree in the streets, everybody seems to be very happy at Christmas time. Another thing that makes Jamaicans happy is winning a gold medal at an Olympic or a World Championship event. Athletics is like a religion in Jamaica, and winning gold is just at the pinnacle of the thrill tree. Jamaicans are a very proud and patriotic people, and spotting a Jamaican flag just about anywhere will just make Jamaicans very happy and very excited. A very important aspect of the Jamaican culture is the practice of throwing a partner. Of course, sometimes the partner can go very wrong. So you can imagine getting a Jamaican partner draw that is full and without any issue will make a Jamaican very happy. Another thing that fills Jamaicans with joy and excitement is the Boys and Girls Athletic Championship. And even if your team is not in the running, excitement still bulk. Jamaicans love their politics, and of course, they love their party. And so any political conference or mass rally is bound to draw a crowd and pull out the excitement among the Jamaican people. So in number 2, we have Jamaican politics. And just before we discover what brings out the biggest grin on a Jamaican face, let me invite you to follow Jamfet, like our videos, subscribe to the channel, and remember, tell a friend to tell a friend. Over here, we celebrate the Jamaican culture abroad and abroad. And the thing that brings about the biggest excitement to a Jamaican is when a child passes his GSAT exam. Whether it's GSAT Common Entrance, no matter the name it goes by, having a younger one in the family passing, and especially passing for a traditional high school, brings about such joy and excitement that no other event can bring about in the life of a Jamaican. So there you have it. Those are my 10 things that make Jamaicans exceptionally happy. But do you agree with my list? Let me know in the comment section. Let me know what I've forgotten, what you would add, what you would subtract, and what you would divide. In the meantime, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to JamFet, celebrating the Jamaican culture a yard and abroad.